Hello everyone, welcome to Accessible World Tutorials. My name is Raviteja. Friends, almost we have covered all the topics related to HTML. Also, we have started the JavaScript, but only one video is pending from my side that is related to HTML. So in this video, we are going to create one complete web page using a screen reader. Okay, in HTML using a screen reader. So watch this video till the end. And if you're not subscribed our channel as of now, just pause this video and click the subscribe button. Friends, one good news, we have started a website. So we have launched one website that is accessibleworld.in. If you search accessibleworld.in, our website will come and you can get all the videos, tutorials, courses, everything in the website. Okay. Okay, we will start the topic now, and I'm opening the notepad file.
Speech mode talk. Run dialog. OOTEPAD tech desktop list. Normal curse pane. System sub full line web text editor document blank.
Okay, so as you already know our first line.
Caps lock on. Less. Bang. DOCTYPE. Doc type space. Caps lock HTML. HTML.
So if you not watch our previous topics, do not watch this video. First complete all the previous topics, then come to this topic. And individually, if you want to learn HTML, you can contact me. My mobile number 7731879173. You can WhatsApp me. I will teach you the complete HTML accessibility testing. Whatever course you want to enroll, you can simply WhatsApp me. I will connect with you.
Less doc type HTML greater blank. Less HTML greater.
So less HTML greater. After 5 lines, I will close the HTML greater.
Less slash HTML greater blank less HTML greater.
So here we will add one more attribute in the less HTML greater tag.
Greater L greater space LANG.
Lang is equal.
Lang equals quote.
English.
ENG end quote. Less HTML lang equals quote end quote greater.
So this is very important.
Greater
Okay.
less HTML lang equals quote end quote greater blank.
So here we are opening the head tag.
Less HEAD head greater. Less slash AEAD head greater.
So I have closed the head tag.
Blank less head greater blank less slash head great blank.
So here I will provide the title.
Less TITLE title greater. FUF.
So I will provide the page title as Accessible World.
ACCESIBLE accessible space WORLD world less slash TITLE title great less title greater accessible world less slash title greater less slash head greater. Okay. Less blank.
So here in the header itself, I will create 2 meta tags. So less meta.
Less META.
So charset.
CHARSET.
Charset means character set. Okay.
Meta charset equals quote.
Oh.
Less METAC space.
Less meta space. I forgot to give him space.
Less meta charset equals quote. Carriage return.
UTF-8.
Caps lock on. UTF-8. 8 quote. Caps lock off greater.
Okay. First line completed.
Less meta charset equals quote UTF-8 quote greater blank.
So one more meta tag.
Less META meta space.
Less meta name is equal to
NAME. Name equals
quotation open.
Quote.
Name is equal to viewport.
VIEWPORT. Viewport quote.
Quotation close.
Space.
Content.
CONTENT.
Content is equal to
content equals quote.
Quotation open. Here width is equal to
WIDTH. Width equals
device dash width.
DEVICE. Device dash VIIV.
Oh, sorry.
WIDTH.
Comma.
Width comma space.
Initial scale.
INITIAL. Initial dash SCALE. Scale equals
1.0.
1.0 quote greater.
So what is initial scale? Initial scale means our zoom level. Actually, if you open our website, the minimum, the default zoom level is 1.0. So if you provide 2.0, the zoom level will increase. Okay. So the default level, we need to mention 1.0.
Less bland. Less meta name equals quote viewport quote content equals quote width equals device dash width initial dash scale equals 1.0 quote greater bland less slash head greater bland.
Okay, less head greater. So here I will open the body section.
Less BODY body greater.
After 4 lines, I will close this body section.
Less slash BODY body greater bland less body greater bland.
So here I will create one header. So you already ever write header, footer, main content like that. So here I will create one header content.
Less HEADER header greater.
Less header greater.
Less slash AEADER header grade bland less slash header bland less header grade bland.
Okay. In the header section, I will create navigation links. Okay, navigation links, one heading, logo, I will create here. So
less header grade bland.
Here I will create one main heading.
Less H1 greater WELCONE well TO2 ACCESSIBLE access WORLD world less slash H1 less H1 greater welcome to accessible world less slash H1 greater greater.
Okay. So here I will create one logo for my website.
Less IMG
space
SRC
SRC means source. Source is equal to
SRC equals quote number.
I don't have any image currently, so I have simply written number symbol.
Number quote character space
alt.
ALT.
Alternative text I need to provide.
Alt equals.
Screen reader will not read. Alt is equal to
equal character return quote.
Quotation open.
ACCESSIBLE accessible WORLD world LOGO logo quote greater.
Okay. We have done with the image.
Less image SRC equals quote number quote alt equals quote accessible world logo quote greater character.
So here I will create navigation links. Okay. So for that I need to open a tag called less nav greater. Nav means navigation.
Less NAV nav greater.
Less nav greater. 3 times enter.
Less slash NAV nav greater.
Less nav greater.
Bland less nav great bland.
In between I will create one unordered list. Okay. Less UL.
Less UL.
Okay. Less UL.
L space.
Type is equal to
TYPE. Type equal quote NONE none quote.
Type is equal to
greater.
none means so it will not display any bullet symbols, nothing. Okay.
Less L type equals quote none quote greater. Bland less slash nav bland. Less slash UL greater. Less bland less L type equals quote none quote bland less slash L greater bland.
So in between I will create navigation links. Okay. So I will create list less li
less li greater.
less
a space AREF.
href is equal to
ref equals
quotation open
quote number quote.
I don't have any link URL right now. That's why I have created simple number symbol
greater
about us.
BOUT about space US us less slash a greater less slash li greater.
Already you know, right, how to create list. Okay, less li greater, less li greater. In between, I have created a anchor tag. Less a space href is equal to quotation open and my link URL quotation close greater than and link text less a greater.
Less li greater less ref equals quote number quote greater about us less slash a greater less slash li greater character.
Okay, so if you would like to learn HTML, you can simply contact me. I will teach you the HTML.
Less li great bland.
And second link.
Less li greater.
Less li greater.
Less a space AREF.
href is
ref equals quote
number
quote greater.
Okay, and contact us.
CONTACT contact us less slash a greater less slash li greater. Less li greater less ref equals quote number quote bland.
One more link.
Character less li greater less a space ref ref quote number quote greater. our space tutorials less slash a greater less slash li Lee greater.
Okay, here I have created 3 links. Just watch here.
Less Lee greater lesser F equals quote number quote greater about us less slash a greater less slash Lee greater less Lee greater lesser F equals quote number quote greater contact us less slash a greater less slash Lee greater lesser F equals quote number quote greater our tutorials less slash a greater less slash Lee greater less slash all greater less slash nav greater less slash header greater.
Okay, our header part also completed.
Blank.
So here I will create the main content of the web page. Less main.
Less AIN.
Main space.
Main space.
I will create one ID here.
ID. Id equals quote.
ID is equal quotation open.
MAIN. Main greater.
Okay, I will let you know why I have created this ID. Okay.
Less main id equals quote main quote greater.
I will let you know later why I have created this ID. ID is equal to main.
Greater carrot.
So
less slash AIN main greater.
Dash less main greater.
Blank less main id equals quote main quote greater. Blank less slash main blank less main blank.
So in between I need to create a heading.
Less H2 greater. A BOUT about us less slash A2 H2 less H2 greater about us less slash H2 greater blank.
So here simply I will create one paragraph.
Less P greater. Paste del less slash P great accessible learning material less P greater at accessible world tutorials. We are dedicated to making the digital world accessible. Delve into blank less slash main greater blank. Delve into care greater P slash less blank less slash main greater blank.
Okay, after the main section, I will create one footer section. Okay.
Less FOOTER footer greater.
Less footer greater.
Less slash FOOTER footer greater.
Less footer greater.
Less footer greater blank less slash footer blank.
In between, I will create one copyright information.
Less P greater COPYTIITRIGAT right space BY by space ACCESSIBLE access WORLD world less slash P greater less P greater copyright by accessible world less slash P greater.
Okay, so
blank less slash footer greater.
So this is complete. We have done with our page. Now we will create a skip to main content link at the top of the page. So go to header section.
Less meta name blank less slash head less body greater less header greater less blank less body greater blank.
Here I will create one link.
Less A space HREF ref equals
is equal quotation open
quote
number symbol
number
and our main content ID we need to mention here.
AIN main quote greater SKIP skip TO2 AIN main CONTENT
skip to main content
less slash A greater
C
lesser F equals quote number main quote greater skip to main content less slash a greater less header greater.
Okay, we are completely done with our page. Now I will save this file.
Save as dialog. File name.
Okay, full line page.
F selection ULL. Full line. PAGE page.html.
Okay.
Full line page.html. Run dialog. E text new volume left parent B items view P F first line F full line page 3 of 10.
Okay.
Green shed delete pop open with collect pop Microsoft Google Chrome 1 items view list Excel link skip to main accessible world link skip to main content.
This is a skip to main content.
Banner landmark heading level 1. Welcome to accessible world. System menu accessible world document link skip banner landmark heading level 1. Welcome to accessible world. Graphic accessible world logo. Navigation landmark list with 3 items link. About us link. Contact us link. Our tutorials out of list main landmark heading level 2. About us. At Accessible World Tutorials we are dedicated to making the digital. Our mission is to provide visually impaired JavaScript content in copyright by Access main landmark. Content info landmark. Copyright by Accessible World.
So this is all about our page, friends. Thanks for watching my video till the end. Bye bye.
Puja HTML books column new volume full line page screen sharing meeting.